Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel, where I explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and its impact on various aspects of our lives. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how AI is changing the future of work, and how it is affecting different industries and professions, such as manufacturing, education, finance, law, and art. AI is the ability of machines to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as understanding language, recognizing images, learning from data, and making decisions. AI is not a single technology, but a collection of methods and tools that can be applied to various problems and domains. Some of the most common types of AI are machine learning, computer vision, natural language processing, speech recognition, and generative AI. Machine learning is the process of teaching machines to learn from data and improve their performance without explicit programming. Computer vision is the field of AI that deals with enabling machines to see and understand visual information. Natural language processing is the branch of AI that focuses on enabling machines to understand and generate natural language, such as text and speech. Speech recognition is the task of converting spoken words into text or commands. Generative AI is the class of AI that can create original content, such as images, text, audio, video, or code. AI is transforming the way we work in many ways. It can automate repetitive and tedious tasks, augment human capabilities and creativity, enhance productivity and efficiency, improve quality and accuracy, and enable new forms of innovation and value creation. However, AI also poses some challenges and risks for workers and employers, such as ethical dilemmas, social implications, legal issues, security threats, and skill gaps. Let's take a look at some examples of how AI is impacting different industries and professions. Manufacturing. AI can help manufacturers optimize their production processes, reduce costs and waste, increase safety and reliability, customize products and services, and innovate new designs and materials. For instance, AI can enable smart factories that use sensors, robots, and data analytics to monitor and control the entire production cycle. AI can also assist human workers with tasks such as quality inspection, maintenance, inventory management, and logistics. Education. AI can help educators personalize learning experiences for students, enhance teaching methods and outcomes, provide feedback and assessment, facilitate collaboration and communication, and expand access to education. For example, AI can enable adaptive learning systems that tailor the content and pace of instruction to each student's needs and preferences. AI can also assist teachers with tasks such as grading assignments, creating lesson plans, and providing guidance and support. Finance. AI can help financial institutions improve their services for customers, enhance their decision-making and risk management capabilities, and innovate new products and solutions. For example, AI can enable robo-advisors that provide automated financial advice and portfolio management to customers. AI can also assist financial analysts with tasks such as forecasting, fraud detection, credit scoring, and trading. Law. AI can help lawyers and legal professionals streamline their workflows, enhance their research and analysis skills, provide better services to clients, and resolve disputes more efficiently and fairly. For example, AI can enable legal chatbots that can answer common legal questions and provide guidance and assistance to users. AI can also assist lawyers with tasks such as document review, contract drafting, due diligence, and litigation support. Art. AI can help artists and creative professionals explore new forms of expression, enhance their creativity and originality, collaborate with other artists and machines, and reach new audiences and markets. For example, AI can enable generative art that can create novel and unique artworks, such as images, music, poetry, or code. AI can also assist artists with tasks such as inspiration, feedback, editing, and distribution. These are just some of the examples of how AI is changing the future of work in various industries and professions. Of course, there are many more domains and applications that are being affected by AI, such as healthcare, entertainment, transportation, agriculture, and so on. The possibilities are endless. However, as I mentioned earlier, AI also poses some challenges and risks for workers and employers. Some of the questions that we need to consider are: How will AI affect the demand and supply of labor in different sectors and regions? How will it affect the skills and competencies that workers need to succeed in the future? How will it affect the quality and satisfaction of work for workers? And so on. These are not easy questions to answer, but they are important ones to think about. As AI becomes more pervasive and powerful in our work environments, we need to be aware of its benefits and drawbacks, its opportunities and threats, its potentials and limitations. We need to be proactive and adaptive in learning new skills and embracing new roles. We need to be collaborative and inclusive in working with other humans and machines. We need to be responsible and accountable in using AI for good purposes. AI is changing the future of work, but it is not replacing it. It is augmenting it. It is creating new possibilities for us to work smarter, better, faster, and more creatively. It is up to us to make the most of it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos on AI and its impact on our lives. See you next time.